Well, hi there, friends. It's Noreen from Organized and Creative Mom, and today is Sunday, October 11th, and I was working on kind of a faith journal page today, and I just wanted to share a couple of ideas with you. You know that I've been on a bit of a journey lately, trying to kind of reawaken, rekindle my faith by engaging with scripture and other spiritual readings, I guess, and approaching them in a more creative way. So if you saw my video from last Monday, from launch day, I mentioned that I had ordered one of the new terracotta happy album covers, and I was planning on using that as a bit of a faith journal, maybe not necessarily Bible journaling, but as a place to record and kind of interact with some other readings. And so this week I've actually been trying to get through the new Papal Encyclical that was published last week, October 3rd, called Fratelli Tutti, which is really on the subject of fraternity, brotherhood, and social interactions. So it's been very interesting reading it, and especially in this time in the world where there's so much division. And while, although we have lots of ways to communicate, in many ways we're more divided than ever. So I've been reading through that, and I wanted to devote several pages in this faith journal to the readings from Fratelli Tutti. So what I decided to do, because of course I don't have the new journal cover yet, and I don't have any traditional supplies with me yet, I decided that I was going to make some digital happy album pages. So I wanted to kind of walk you through how I'm going to create those, and then I'll share the one that I create at the end with you. I probably won't go through all of the steps here because typically it takes me a while, but I'll share that with you and then tell you a little bit about how I envision this all working. So let me flip you over and have a look at my screen. So I have my program that I like to use for designing my digital pages as well as all my sketches and things, Forever Artisan. And basically I'm just going to create a new project or page. And when I click on that, it should bring up new project. And then I'm going to create a custom sized project. Now what I did a while back was I actually created a custom size for my happy album page. And when we look at this, we can see what the sizes are. And it's actually 6 3/4 inches wide by 10 inches tall. So that's the size of a page in the happy album. So I basically just created that same size, called it happy album page, and now I can actually create pages that are the same size as the happy album. So I'm just going to click on next. I'm going to choose blank pages because I want to design each one of them individually. And I'm going to just go next. I don't have any photos, so I'm going to talk about that in a second here. And I'm just going to be calling this Faith Journal Happy Album Pages. And this way I can basically keep them all together. I can work on one page at a time. And then what I'm planning on doing is saving each page as a JPEG. Then I could get them printed onto 8 by 10 inch pages, and then just trim them down and basically wallpaper them over my happy album pages. So I kind of thought what I would do is approach this very much like a scrapbook page, although the challenge, of course, is that I don't have any photos. I'm not designing with photos in mind, I'm designing with elements, and I'm going to use a passage from Fratelli Tutti as my focus. So I'm just going to kind of start building a page. I'm actually just going to make this background here. Let's choose a paper from the Graceful Kit. So I've uploaded I've actually purchased and downloaded the Creative Memories Graceful theme pack in a digital format, and I'm getting a whole bunch of things here. And I'm going to start with this dark green sort of cross background as my background for my page. So basically I'm cutting a shape out of it and putting it on my page. And then I thought I would just add some basic shapes. Let's add, so we'll go insert shape, and then maybe about a 2-inch long border. So I'm just going to kind of make that shape here. So now that this is created, I'm actually just going to fill it with some paper. I'm going to choose another paper from Graceful. I'm going to choose this dark wood grain. And because I want my wood grain kind of going sideways, I'll just switch that around. Okay, so that's kind of another aspect we can use. And then I think I'm going to insert another larger shape. Maybe something like that, maybe a little bit bigger, something like that. Create it, and then we're going to fill that with another paper from Graceful. I think we're going to use all of the papers from the Graceful theme pack. Choose maybe this gingham. There we go. And then I thought maybe one more kind of accent along this side. So I'm going to insert another shape. So you can see I just kind of play with my shapes. And again, so much fun with digital because basically I'm just, you know, creating what I would do on my regular pages. So let's format this and put it at the final piece of paper, this olive branch paper here. Okay, so I like the way that looks, and I'm actually just going to put that behind the gingham paper. So I'm just going to drag it down behind here. So that's kind of the base for my page. And now I can go ahead and insert a lot of my elements, but I also can insert my text. And that is going to be some of the opening statements from Fratelli Tutti. So I'm just going to basically copy and paste that in, and I'll choose some fonts that I like, and then embellish it. So I will be sure to show you this finished page. Obviously this is not the finished page, but I'll be sure to show you the finished page at the end of the video here. So really I decided that I wasn't going to let, you know, the absence of physical products kind of deter me from what I wanted to start on with this little faith journal. So I'm going to be working on a few pages for that project over the next few days, and then when I get home I can just upload those to, you know, Costco or Walmart or whatever photo printer I decide to. I'll format them as an 8x10 photo, so it might cost a couple of dollars, but when I get that I'll just be able to slice it down to the 6 3/4 inch width, and then just place it right into one of my pages. So, and then the nice thing is that I also do have a couple of the Graceful theme packs at home. So I'm going to be continuing to use that in traditional products throughout the rest of that little faith journal. And I think it's also actually going to work really well with some of the other products, some of the Happy Album papers and embellishments, that kind of thing. I think it's going to work nicely with Daydreamer, and I think I'll probably even pull out some of the wedding collections because they often have those same kinds of icons and imagery, kind of faith-based. So I think I'll be pulling that, kind of making a little mini kit for my faith journal, and I'll definitely be sharing some more of those pages with you. Okay, so I'll be sure to insert a picture of the finished page, my first entry into my faith journal, and I'll be looking forward to sharing more of those with you down the road. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.